It's the future of video creation. It's like a film crew in your laptop. You'll never need to use stock footage again. And I thought, okay, Google, let's see if you're really about to replace my camera, editor, and soundtrack girl in one shot, which is me, by the way. It's all me. So you're going to replace me? Hey, it's Caitlin with GBRLIFE Reviews, where I test the tools so you don't waste your time. And today we're looking at, I know you guessed it because it's the title, Veo 3, Google's DeepMind text-to-video model that not only makes your videos, but adds matching audio in seconds. So of course, I had to go check this one out. But is it the creative breakthrough that we've been waiting for, or just another 8 seconds of meh? So let's get straight into this one. But right after my quick intro, while you like and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Welcome to GBRLIFE. We'll talk big love, everything in the mix. So bring your board, your bite, your bright. You're home now, babe. This is GBRLIFE. Ooh, this is GBRLIFE.
I know you've heard of all of this already, because when it comes to tools like this, AI has decided to show how creative it can get. And all of us little humans are just waiting to see if the Terminator has become reality. And spoiler alert, it has. But while you're waiting to be taken over entirely, let's talk about what makes Veo 3 amazing, aka what I liked. First and foremost, video and audio in one go. You type your scene and it gives you visuals and the sound to match.
This ocean, it's a force, a wild, untamed might. And she commands your awe with every breaking light.
No hunting for background tracks or using another AI tool just to do the tracks itself, which is okay because yes, others do this, but these visuals are superior, which is something else I liked. The visuals look cinematic. For an AI tool, the colors, lighting, and the motion are shockingly polished. Plus, the speed. On the Veo 3 Fast version, I got my clip in under a minute. And it's accessible, so you can try it via Google's Vortex AI or through some creative platforms like Leonardo AI for as little as like $10 a month. But there's always a con as much as there is a silver lining, aka what I didn't like. There's an 8-second limit. Yeah, you're basically making a glorified GIF. And it's hit or miss with the prompts. Sometimes it nails my scene. Other times I'm like, why is there a dog in my Paris cafe shot? But it was cute. And don't think you have much editing control. You can't tweak much inside of Veo 3 itself. It gets what it gets, and then if it's wrong, you have to start over. Period. And then the ultimate, price gap. Vortex AI, well, it can be pricey. It starts, well, let's get into this pricing right now because there is a few options here. You've got, like I said, Vortex AI, which you get full access all around, but it comes at $250 a month. And this is best for pros and teams. Then you have the partner platforms, Leonardo AI, Runway, etc. I mean, there's going to be a lot of different tools that are going to start bringing this in. And this is going to start you at around $10 to $30 a month because Veo 3 is being baked in. And then you have the Gemini app. So for anybody who uses Pro or Ultra as a subscriber, you would get Veo 3 tools right in that app. And that brings us to the most important question of all. Is it worth it? And if you're a content creator, marketer, or you just want to make quick cinematic visuals without worrying about music or just, all of that fun stuff, Veo 3 is impressive. But if you need longer videos, more control, or you're on a tight budget, this is not replacing your normal workflow yet. And that's why for a GBRLIFE rating, yes, we're finally at that point of the discussion, I'm giving Veo 3 a 3.5 out of 5. I know you're shocked. And look, it's sleek, it's fast, and it's a creative flex, but it's also short, limited, and most importantly, not cheap. And yes, that is one of the reasons why I gave it such, a lower rating than usual for me. But that's only if you're going the official route. Of course, I did mention a few other ways to make it a little bit cheaper. And look, I'm more than willing to change that if Google opens this up with longer runtime and better editing. We're talking 5 out of 5 territory here. So are you team let AI direct my next video, or team, I'll stick to filming it myself. Because for those of us who do that, I mean, we're already doing it, right? We could probably figure this out. Okay, I'm going to head over to VO right now. Drop your vote in the comments. Alrighty, that's it for this week's review, but if you want more like this, don't forget to check out the GBR Life Reviews Unfiltered Opinions playlist. And while you're at it, like and subscribe to GBR Life so you never miss another review. And if you're interested in free streaming, check out my review last week of Plex and cut that cable, or should you? Find out when you watch my review, and the link should be just above me or around me or whatever to watch it. Just look around somewhere and then click on that button. Either way, with all of my content on GBRLife.com and my fabulous Mama Koala clothing line, you don't have to be without GBR Life in your life. See you next week. Bye.
Not a bit less, 'cause not your bit less.